morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. I'm right behind Brian with several degenerates behind me. I don't know why we're being honked at. Probably because somebody's not ready. But we're going. Yeah. Very fast. Not really, but it sounds fast. Oh, we're already here. Literally like 1 minute later. Not even a minute. I think we're like 30 seconds in or something. I didn't get my phone out. It's supposed to show registration. Alright, okay, bye. Close. Now you're crooked. Chad, do you not know how to drive? No. It's fine, dude. It's not fine. You know what? Just leave and start over. This is the new guy. I don't know where he's going. I guess he's going to that end. Get a cool slow motion roller shot here. Oh my god, it's so sexy. So just got some delicious tacos, and we've been requested to move our cars, so I don't know where we're going, but supposedly a different location. This guy joined us again. Things are just so awesome. AC though, so it's just air. Yeah, air. It's not when you're in right. Like I say, I know quite enough. getting the perfect picture. I like that stance you had. It was amazing, Hank.
Get down and dirty with it.
I love it that when I put you on camera, you get a little shy every time.
I don't like to draw attention to myself, people.
Well, I like to draw attention to you. That's what gets the views for my videos.
I'm not
how
a
I make
social
money
person.
Is I put Hank on my video.
I don't like people in
and
general.
People are like, that's the one with Hank in it? We're in. So this guy has been here all day and he wants a picture with the airplane themed Vanderhalls. So we gotta get the girls out of the way.
Everybody lift up on the ass end of these.
Okay. I mean, honestly, you probably could if you could get a hold of it, but so we're gonna get a little photo op here. It's pretty cool.
I love it, man.
Got everybody pulling out. Gonna go get some lunch. Should be a good time. It's been a good day, good show. It's been awesome. Of course, Hank's got music on I can't use because it's copyrighted. And just like that, we are back home in the garage. Another wonderful day. Let's check the status of the CV boot. Perfectly clean still, which really makes me debate if I should change the entire axle now that the CV boot is like for sure. Okay, I say for sure. Knock on the Vanderhalls. It's probably in pretty good shape. I mean, so far so good, and I've been fairly aggressive on this, and it's holding up. So I don't know, but yeah, another awesome day. It started out a little cold. It's beautiful right now, although some of the girls think it's a little chilly, but you know, hey. But yeah, it's definitely been a beautiful day today. We did a cool interview with a guy that went Facebook Live, and his feed didn't work, so I was gonna link it and be like, oh, check this out, like we did a little interview about our club, and no, can't do it because his thing didn't work, so that sucks. Hopefully we'll run into him another time and we'll get to do that some other time. So yeah, another amazing weekend with the Vanderhall and the whole group. New members, Daniel and Rachel, I think they had a good time. They said they did, but they just got a Vanderhall 2021, beautiful blue, whatever color blue it's called, I don't really know, but they joined us on this ride too, and I think they had a lot of fun. So thanks for coming with us, guys. That's it for today, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep